going inside here. So in this video, I want to show you how you can integrate your Clickfunnels account with your ActiveCampaign account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your account setting. Then you want to go to the integration. Then you want to click on Add New Integration. Then click on ActiveCampaign. Now, as you can see, there are three things you need to fill. The first one is integration name. So you just fill in anything, right? So this one can be a demo. Then the next thing you want to find is your API key and your API URL. So you want to go to your ActiveCampaign and you go to your setting. So then you can go to your developer. So here is the URL and the API key. So all you have to do is just copy and paste here. Then you click on Add Integration. So after you successfully integrate Clickfunnels and ActiveCampaign, you can easily set that your integration, every funnel on the setting and integrations. Then you can go to choose the integration you just created. So that's it, how you integrate Clickfunnels and ActiveCampaign. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.